Hey guys, I have a fun zigzag pattern for you today that uses double half hitch knots. Before we get started, I quickly want to remind you that I wrote a book and it is available for pre-order now. Please see the description for details on my book and how to pre-order. Thanks again so much for your support. Okay, let's get started on today's tutorial. For your setup, cut 4 pieces of 5mm rope, each piece is 2 meters in length. Fold each piece in half and attach each piece to your dowel using a lark's head knot. You'll notice at the end of this tutorial a couple strands of rope are pretty short. You might want to make note of this if you are creating a full wall hanging using this pattern. Use the left cord as your filler cord and tie 3 horizontal double half hitch knots working to the right. Skip the first cord, use the next cord as your filler cord, and tie 3 double half hitch knots. Repeat until you've reached the right side of your work. Repeat that process, but now work from right to left. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.